Your parents ever tell you not to put your shoes on the table? Well, times are changing. Hey guys, today we check out the Peak Design shoe pouch, a strong, ultralight, ultra-packable pouch providing basic storage for your shoes or really anything else in your travel carry. I'm Ed from Rushfaster. We do guides and walkthroughs, bring you better gear just like this shoe pouch. So if you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing. Let's check out the Peak Design shoe pouch. The shoe pouch is part of the Peak Design travel line, and it includes camera cubes, packing cubes, tech pouches, wash pouches, and this shoe pouch. It works great with any suitcase or bag and is sized to fit perfectly in any of the Peak Design travel bags. It's constructed of an ultralight, self-healing 70D nylon and polyester blend, which is 100% recyclable, abrasion-resistant, and also weatherproof. A really noteworthy design feature in the shoe pouch is that it's constructed of a single piece of fabric, which reduces the amount of seams and stitching and makes it a really strong construction. But also the design of the shoe pouch results in a feathery 48 grams. The lightweight factor is really important when it comes to travel carry. The zipper on this shoe pouch is a water protective zoom zipper, super helpful if you want to quarantine some muddy or soaking shoes. The shoe pouch can typically fit up to 2 pairs of shoes, depending on the size of your shoes and the profile of your shoes. So say for instance, I'm going to bring some dress shoes for work. And also some casual sneakers. These are both size 8s. 2 size 8 shoes fit in there really easily. But say for instance, when you're traveling, you plan to go to the outdoors or hiking, maybe you want to bring some boots with you. These are my Dana Jags. For any hiking or any dress boot, the shoe pouch will probably only fit up to 1 pair. But in any case, if you're planning to go hiking and it's muddy and dirty, you probably don't want to add any other shoes to this shoe pouch, so it's good to keep the boots separated. Just taking a closer look at the shoe pouch, there is a Hyperlon tab here with an understated Peak Design branding there. There are these 2 finger loops on the side for easy grabbing of the shoe pouch. And just on the top here, there are these 2 loops for integration in the Peak Design travel bags via C-clips. However, if you're not bringing any other shoes with you, maybe you're only wearing 1 pair of shoes on a trip, the shoe pouch can be used as a great utility bag to have on hand in case you need any more organization or storage mid-trip. And when you're not using the shoe pouch at all, it can be packed and stowed away in its own self-integrated pouch. So, just feed everything through the pocket. Doesn't have to be super neat. Really easy to stuff. And then invert the flap, snap it shut on the button, and there is the shoe pouch. It's got a little loop here so that you can clip it onto something in case you're worried about getting it lost. So that is the Peak Design shoe pouch. It's a really useful addition to your travel carry. It's super durable, it keeps your shoes separated from everything else in your travel bag, and it can also serve as a general purpose bag when not used for shoes. If you're interested in getting the shoe pouch, you can get it from rushfaster.com. If you're not in Australia, check the links in the description below and you can find out where you can get the shoe pouch. If you like this video, hit that like button, let us know in the comments what you think about the shoe pouch, and if you have any questions, again, let us know in the comments. As always, subscribe to see more carry gear reviews and walkthroughs, and be sure to hit the bell to make sure you never miss an update. This has been the Peak Design shoe pouch. We'll see you next time.